It's over.
Finally,
Typhoon Dolphin strikes Zhejiang, China. 1.5 million people evacuated. Typhoon Dolphin made landfall along the coast of Zhejiang province, China, with winds reaching 151 kilometers per hour. The powerful storm brought torrential rain and destructive winds, throwing many areas into chaos. In Taizhou and Linhai, footage shows intense rainfall pouring down, with floodwater rapidly rising across streets and affecting numerous areas. Powerful winds continued to batter roads and buildings, making travel extremely dangerous. Several vehicles, including trucks, were reportedly knocked off balance and overturned by the strong winds.
It was not only vehicles that were affected. Various objects were sent flying through the streets, construction materials, advertising signs, and parts of structures were blown around by the powerful winds, creating extremely dangerous conditions for residents.
Still. Still. It's over. It's over.
finally, finally.